Well, here we are in the backyard, land of all the Alaska teaks. What are we doing today? Well, we're gonna do some sweet upgrades to this thing. I mean, it's really hard to improve on such a great automobile. I mean, you got the wired on fenders. You got emblems and stickers. No, I'm not sponsored. Got, character dents. Got some chrome on the fender flares there. Got a windshield, some nice welds. Custom bumper. Even got a fidget spinner for all the people that love that stuff. Just a nice old bullet hole in the side door there. Guess, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, it's good. But, gas cap on the wrong side. Just all kinds of good stuff. America. The spare tire back here even has a chrome rim. That's an extra 10 horsepower right there. Anyways, before we can get started here, we just need to add something in that area. Yep, you guessed it. Gets swapped around to 5 million different freaking vehicles. Oh yeah, she's rugged. Extra points for having the rubber on the battery so it doesn't arc out onto the hood. I mean, we're practically ready for SEMA already. Just look at this keyless ignition here. Oh yeah, she's just a real gem. Starts right up every time. Oh yeah, she's even one of those new driverless models. Oh, we gotta move some Alaska teaks to get through. And here we go. Uh-oh, we got some damage from the driverless mode. See? Technology ain't always a good thing. You gotta be one with your automobile. Look at this powerhouse. 4 American bald eagles under the hood, screaming away. We got a handcrafted wooden hood prop here. And by handcrafted, I mean taking a board and hitting it against a tree till it breaks. And yeah, let's improve on this thing and increase horsepower, like putting more bolts into vacuum lines and coolant hoses and stuff like that. Yeah, that's plugged off, I think. I don't know. Yeah, it's good enough. Take this old thing off. Man, that's on tight. Must have put it on with vice grips. We're gonna do an air cleaner upgrade, add some horsepower. Look at that shiny new brand new carburetor. Do some upgrades to this thing. And if you thought this had an air filter in it, these stupid clips off. If you thought that had an air filter in it, you're wrong. Hey, if it looks like it has one, good enough. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this in and sandblast it all down and paint it up really nice. Who are you kidding? We're getting way too fancy now. Well, look at that quality restoration on that thing. I'd say that greatly improves the horsepower and overall value of the truck. I don't think there's anything else to really improve on this thing. It's just perfect already. We got the EGR delete going on. We got the throttle cable hold down bolts that fall out all the time and then you don't have any pedal. And yeah, good stuff. This custom fancy blue fuel line. Look at that. Another 10 horsepower right there. We got the wobbly motor mounts. She's good. I think there's coolant in it. Should be oil. I mean, I didn't see any leaked out onto the ground. Must still have some. But yeah, she's all custom and she runs great. Even got this quality radiator overflow. So you might be wondering, well, you should have a definition for all this, junk that you drive around and fix up and whatnot. Well, we came up with one. Good buddy of mine, who's also got a YouTube channel. I've known him for quite a long time, and he's out in Texas. He fixes up old tractors and knows his stuff. So go check him out over at Texas Keykeeper and give him some subscribers and more viewers. That'd be great. But anyways, a while back he came up with this definition for me. And basically, I can put it up on the screen for you to read. I mean, we made it all official. So basically anything up here in Alaska, the Great White North, whatever you want to call it, if it's cobbled together, welded together, fixed with duct tape, wires, anything, it all applies as Alaskafield. I mean, that's just the definition for anything that looks like this or this, and definitely this. This might as well be on the picture with the definition. And of course, even a spark plug for your door latch. Look at this beautiful performance mod we got here. Chrome power. We got the race ready fire extinguisher, lug wrench, and hatchet for when you get buried in the trees from sending it too much. You can cut your way out. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. We got the American colors back here, so when you're passing all the Lamborghinis, they know what's happening. Let's contain this powerhouse with some good knots in the bungee cord. Before we go unleash all the horsepower, there's one more thing we need. Yes, she's official now. Well, thanks for watching. Until the next one, see you later.